Main benefits of an SNS Kamado is their thermal mass. Okay, so this is going to give us stability of temperature. Now they're super easy to control. You've got an oxygen in and exhaust out. For all intents and purposes, you've got a coarse adjustment in your temperature versus a fine adjustment. Basic concept, our oxygen intake is going to be a coarser adjustment that takes a little longer to have an impact on the chamber. Our exhaust out is going to be a finer adjustment but have a much quicker impact. Okay, so if we're doing our initial heat up, we've obviously got them all open. We slowly close them down until we nail the temperature we want. Once you do, they are just going to settle there and tick around for hours. The main thing you don't want to do is overshoot your temperature. So a bit of patience with your heat up is a great idea. You overshoot, it does take a fair bit of time to get the heat back out again because, as I said, they're really good at holding it in.